Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Carnage from Fortnite. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Fortnite Carnage, we're going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right up here, and we're just going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up, and it's going to curve up like this. Do the same thing over here. We're just going to come up, and then we're going to curve up. Next, we're going to make it kind of bumpy as it comes down. Do the same thing over here. Make it kind of bumpy as it comes down. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to curve down. Then it's going to come back up. Do the same thing here. We're going to come down, we're going to go over, and then up. Starting here, we'll add a little curved line right around this part of the mouth. And we're going to draw a little line that's going to go down, it's going to come over and up. And then starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up, and it's going to come back down. Then starting here, I'm going to draw kind of like a bumpy, kind of curvy line. It's just going to go right up here. Next, we're going to add a bunch of sharp teeth in here, on the top and on the bottom. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw two lines that come down, and then I'm going to make another line out here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes in, and we'll do the same thing over here. And we're going to draw a line that's going to come out like this for the shoulders. Draw another line that's going to come out on each side. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and in. Same thing here, we're going to go down and then in. Next, I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of curves in. And right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and it's going to go down here. Same thing here, we're going to go down, and then we're going to bring it in. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and up. Another one, we're going to come down and up. One more down and up. And this one we're going to angle it in. We're going to bring it up here. And then right here we're going to bring this up. And we're going to curve it in. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down to a point. One more here, one more here. Bring this come up, and then we're going to bring this up here. Or draw a little line to connect it. Starting here, we're going to bring this line down. And I'm going to draw a little line right here. Next, we're going to bring this line out here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up and then in. I'm going to draw this line a little bit wider. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. And a line that's going to come out and down. Draw a line that's going to come down like this. Make it come down to a point and up. And another one come down to a point and up. Little line up here and here, and we're going to bring them in. Next, we're going to bring this line up to here. We'll draw a couple little points out here just to show where those other fingers are. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then we'll make a line that's going to come down. Make this line come to a point, we're going to go up, we're going to make it kind of bumpy, and then we're going to bring it down to here. Now we got our basic shape here. Now let's come in here and add some details. So I'm going to draw a couple little lines that come down here. And I'm going to bring some lines up here a little more. We'll make a line that's going to come down. And then we're going to make some broken lines that kind of come in here to show where his chest is. I want to make kind of like an upside down U. And then we're going to make some more of these broken lines. They're just going to come right across here. A couple little lines down. Going to make some kind of rounded broken lines here. And then I'm going to make some kind of long ones that just kind of flow right around his legs here. The reason we're doing this is because it's almost like we're looking at just his muscles and everything. So we're going to make some kind of long lines right around here. I'm going to make some more of these kind of long broken lines all over the place. Do the same thing up here as well. It's almost like we're making all these different pieces of like lines that are coming through here, that are going through his body. I'm going to make some kind of long broken lines over here on his little blade. And we'll put some long ones kind of on his toes and feet as well. Kind of come in here and add some extra lines wherever you want to. We'll make some little lines right here by his neck. Then I'm going to make a couple little long lines to just kind of go down and up just to show where he has some of those little kind of like tentacles and stuff coming out of him. He doesn't have too much on him in this version, but we can just add a couple in some different spots. And add a couple little lines by his face. And a few more little lines right by his mouth and his eyes. And there you go. There is your drawing of Carnage from Fortnite. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.